Nothing beats a Sunday brunch with a mimosa. And recently, a variety of brunch-style mimosas have been growing in popularity. My name is Tony Pereyra, and today I'll be making you a twist to a classic mimosa, our mango Moroccan mimosa, where we combine fresh mango, a chai-infused syrup, and topped with some sparkling wine, giving you a fun and flavorful twist to a classic. Now for our mango Moroccan mimosa, this is going to be a build directly into our glass, and we're going to be using a stemless wine glass for this. Our first ingredient is going to be a 1/2 ounce of our chai-infused syrup. Our next ingredient is going to be 1 ounce of our fresh mango nectar. And next, we're going to add 1 large mango spear to the bottom of the glass. And for our last ingredient, a mimosa wouldn't be a mimosa without a little bit of sparkling wine. And we're going to top this off with about 5, maybe it's about 6 ounces. So. And for our garnish, we're going to dust just a little bit of cinnamon right on top of that mango, and we're going to place this right on the side of the glass. And this is our mango Moroccan mimosa. Delicious. The chai-infused syrup combined with a fresh mango is a great flavor combo that can be a great twist to your next Sunday brunch. Cheers.